This story takes us to Visalia, California, home of the motorcycle club La Raza. One of La Raza's members goes by the name Choque. Choque didn't earn that name for being the best rider. Nah, he got it because he was always crashing his damn motorcycle. So no shit, there Choque was, brand new badass Sportster. He decides he wants to join a motorcycle club. After Choque joins, he gets his body covered in tattoos. Hell, he even gets one on his damn head. New tattoos? Same shiny Sportster Choque feels like the baddest motherfucker in the San Joaquin Valley. Did we mention he rides a Sportster? Nevertheless, Choque still feels like the baddest motherfucker in the San Joaquin Valley. Fast forward a couple years, and like most La Raza brothers, he stops showing up. He goes AWOL. He's missing rides, he's missing meetings. Little did we know, Choque was pussy whipped. Yep, some woman got him by the balls. The hierarchy of La Raza sees his decline. A decision is forced upon the brotherhood. Choque gets suspended again for lack of participation. After the fucker gets suspended, guess what? He decides he wants to start coming around again. Turns out the reason why was he and his lover broke up. Poor Choque is like a lost puppy dog. The poor little fucker was heartbroken. No woman. No club. The brothers notice his participation increases, and they decide to give him his 10th damn chance at redemption. Choque gets let back into the club. What's his next move? After getting his patch back, he makes up with his woman. So now he's back as a full patch member, back with his girl, and right back to his bad habits. Hopefully Choque learned his lesson. Or maybe not.